Why do 80% of fitness enthusiasts swear by leg day? Because strong legs are the foundation of a powerful physique. Let's get started. First up, squats. They're the king of all leg exercises. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower your hips like you're sitting in a chair, and rise back up. Squats target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, offering a full leg workout. Next, lunges. Step forward with one foot and lower your hips until both knees are at 90-degree angles. Push back to start and repeat on the other side. Lunges improve balance and coordination while hitting those quads and glutes. Don't forget the calf raises. Simply stand on your toes and lower back down. This exercise isolates your calf muscles, giving you that well-rounded leg definition. Finally, leg presses. Use the leg press machine. Push the platform away by extending your legs and return slowly. This move adds serious strength to your quads and hamstrings. Follow this routine and you'll be on your way to stronger, more defined legs. Push your limits, stay consistent, and watch those gains roll in. You've got this.